Our grill shelter is built around an existing paver pad, so the dimensions are specific to that space. Yours may vary depending on the size of your grill or available space. We begin by setting 4x4 posts at each corner of the pad in post holes filled with concrete. We have about 2 feet of post in the ground and about 8 feet above. Next, we cut 2x6s with 45-degree miters on each end to wrap the 4x4 post at about 8 feet above the ground. This band is leveled all the way around as each piece is secured before the 4x4s are cut off flush with the top of the band. Next, we cut the joists that will sit on top of the band and support the roof. These joists will overhang the front and back by about 6 inches with a decorative upward bevel cut on each end. To create some slope for the roof to drain, we're notching the back side of the joist. For the 2 outer joists, that means a notch that goes from 1 inch where the joist sits on the back of the band, tapering down to 0 where it sits on the front. The inside joists simply get a 1 inch deep by 1.5 inch wide notch on the back side. When these are secured to the structure, we have a roof frame that slopes 1 inch over about 4 feet. To continue the arbor style, I'm creating short finger joists for more 2x6 material. These are secured to the sides of the joist on each end of the shelter with 3-inch long screws. On top of the joist, we're securing some 1x2s running perpendicular to the joist, which will serve as our anchor point for the metal roofing. The corrugated metal roof is cut to size using a circular saw outfitted with a metal cutting blade. Then we secure it to the frame with roofing screws, which have an integrated rubber washer to keep the roof watertight.